Hey, this is Paul. This is a repair for Jay. It's a K7500 25-inch. Had a few problems. I had to replace the hot, do a cap kit to get it going. Then it had vertical collapse. I replaced the TDA 1771 with a brand new chip. They're getting kind of rare. I replaced a few ceramic chips with polys that are way out of spec. What else did I do to this guy? This guy had a broken leg. It is the 2482, and since that was broken, it blew the hot. These guys were out of spec, and that chip was bad. I got it all in there and got an awesome picture now. Flyback is still good. Had to do some repair work on the neck board, and the final result is a picture that's looking good. I replaced the neck board, remote board. Had the wrong remote board on it. Colors are looking good. Nice square picture. Nice bright colors. This guy is finishing up his testing period, and I will send it back. See ya.